2025 is the year of flight, and DJI is leading the charge with drones that redefine what's possible in the sky. From ultra-smooth 4K footage to intelligent flight modes and unbeatable range, these are the best DJI drones you can buy right now. Whether you're a filmmaker, hobbyist, or first-time flyer, this list has the perfect drone for you. So buckle up and get ready to soar. The links are waiting for you in the description below. Let's take off. Number 5. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro has taken the world of aerial photography and videography to new heights with its remarkable features and advanced technology. Building upon the success of its predecessors, the Mavic 4 Pro is designed for both professional filmmakers and enthusiastic hobbyists who demand top-tier performance in a compact and portable drone. One of the standout features of the Mavic 4 Pro is its upgraded camera system, equipped with a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor that captures stunning 2MP still images and 4000 video at high frame rates. This sensor not only enhances image quality in well-lit conditions, but also performs admirably in low-light environments, allowing for versatile shooting opportunities at any time of day. The drone's impressive flight time extends up to 40 minutes on a single charge, allowing you to capture extensive footage without frequent interruptions. Additionally, the Mavic 4 Pro boasts enhanced obstacle avoidance technology, utilizing advanced sensors to detect and avoid obstacles in real time, ensuring safer flights and reducing the risk of crashes. With a maximum transmission range of up to 12 kilometers, the Mavic 4 Pro allows for extended exploration and capturing stunning aerial views from afar. The inclusion of intelligent flight modes, such as active track, point of interest, and waypoints, further enhances the user experience, making complex shots easier to achieve. Number 4. Potensic Atom. The Potensic Atom 2 is a compact and versatile drone that stands out in the ever-growing market of consumer drones, designed for both novice flyers and experienced drone enthusiasts. The Atom 2 combines impressive features with user-friendly controls, making it an appealing choice for a wide range of users. One of the standout features of the Potensic Atom 2 is its high-definition camera, which allows users to capture stunning aerial photographs and videos in crisp clarity. With the ability to shoot in 1080p resolution, this drone ensures that your memories are preserved in vibrant detail. Additionally, the drone is equipped with a 120 wide-angle lens, enabling it to capture more of the landscape in a single shot, making it ideal for scenic photography and videography. The Atom 2 also boasts impressive flight capabilities, including a robust flight time of up to 30 minutes on a single charge, thanks to its efficient battery management system. This extended flight time allows users to explore and capture more without the constant need to recharge. Furthermore, the drone features a range of up to 300 meters, providing ample space for adventurous flying. Another notable aspect of the Potensic Atom 2 is its ease of use. With one-key takeoff and landing, even beginners can confidently pilot the drone. The inclusion of altitude hold and headless mode further simplifies flying, allowing users to focus on capturing great footage rather than managing flight controls. Number 3. RUKO F11GIM2. The RUKO F11GIM2 is a versatile drone that stands out in the crowded market of consumer unmanned aerial vehicles, designed for both beginners and experienced enthusiasts. This drone boasts a range of impressive features that enhance its usability and performance. One of its standout attributes is its high-definition camera, capable of capturing stunning 4K video and 12MP photos, allowing users to document their aerial adventures with remarkable clarity and detail. The camera is equipped with a 90-degree adjustable lens, which provides flexibility in framing shots from different angles. Battery life is another strong point for the RUKO F11GIM2, with a flight time of up to 30 minutes per battery charge, giving users ample time to explore and capture their surroundings without the frequent need for recharging. The drone also comes with 2 batteries, effectively doubling your flying time right out of the box. For ease of use, the F11GIM2 features GPS-assisted flight, which offers precise positioning and helps in maintaining stable hovering. This feature is particularly beneficial for beginners, as it simplifies the flying experience and allows for safer navigation. Additionally, the drone includes several intelligent flight modes, such as follow me, waypoint flight, and gesture control, making it easier to capture dynamic shots without needing extensive piloting skills. Number 2. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro marks a significant evolution in the realm of compact drones, bringing an impressive array of features that cater to both amateur enthusiasts and seasoned professionals. Weighing in at just under 250 grams, this drone offers an exceptional balance of portability and performance, making it easy to transport and deploy for those spontaneous aerial adventures. One of the standout features of the Mini 4 Pro is its advanced camera system, which includes a larger sensor capable of capturing stunning 8MP stills and 4,000 video at up to 60 frames per second. This level of detail allows users to create breathtaking content, whether for personal memories or professional projects. The improved HDR capabilities enhance the dynamic range, ensuring that both bright and dark areas of your shots are well exposed. The Mini 4 Pro also introduces advanced obstacle sensing technology, equipped with omnidirectional sensors that help the drone navigate complex environments safely. This feature not only makes it easier for beginners to fly, but also enables more creative shots without the constant worry of collisions. Battery life has seen a significant upgrade as well, with the Mini 4 Pro offering extended flight times of up to 34 minutes on a single charge. This means more time in the air, capturing stunning footage without the need for frequent landings to recharge. Number 1. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is an impressive evolution in the realm of consumer drones, designed to be more user-friendly while still delivering exceptional performance. Building upon the success of its predecessor, the Avata 2 incorporates advanced flight technology and cutting-edge features that cater to both novice pilots and seasoned enthusiasts alike. One of the standout features of the Avata 2 is its enhanced camera system, which boasts improved image quality and higher resolution capabilities, with the ability to capture stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second. Users can expect sharp, vibrant footage that elevates their aerial photography and videography. The drone also features a larger sensor, allowing for better low-light performance, making it suitable for a wider range of shooting conditions. In addition to its impressive camera capabilities, the DJI Avata 2 includes advanced stabilization technology, ensuring smooth and steady shots even during complex maneuvers. This is particularly beneficial for capturing dynamic scenes such as outdoor sports or fast-moving subjects, where traditional drone stabilization might struggle. The flight experience has also been refined, with enhanced obstacle avoidance features that help prevent collisions during flight. This makes the Avata 2 not only safer to operate, but also more accessible to those who may be intimidated by flying drones in challenging environments. Its intuitive controls and responsive handling mean that users can focus on capturing the perfect shot rather than worrying about managing the drone's flight.